mean, I grew up wanting to be an inventor.
Yeah,
and I was always told that, mad professors and inventors weren't real jobs. I'd like to think they are. I mean, we're a team of inventors, mad professors, and all the rest of it, right? I like that we take on impossible. The number of people we've worked with who've straight up said, you can't do this. We've been working on this for 5 years. I don't know how this is going to happen. And we've said the same. We've got no idea. I don't know how we're going to do that. What's exciting about working here is just the sheer level of things that shouldn't be possible that are proved wrong.
For companies that think they can change the world, we're the partner that brings that product to life.
Definitely motivates you to get out of bed in the morning and do what you are very passionate about.
The expertise really for RPD is about getting from prototype all the way through to production, and that's our specialism.
We work on an enormous breadth of products. That's all the way from your everyday things that you see in the supermarket that affect your life every day in a really small way, all the way up to IVF diagnostic equipment that literally will change people's lives.
Majority of engineering is actually about human beings. It's stepping back and going, okay, well, what could we achieve with this? And then how do we deliver it? And I think that's where we step out slightly from some of the more scientific focused businesses, because we're here to think bigger about what is this as a business, not just as an engineering solution.
Absolutely. And what's the impact? What's the impact on the world?
RPD sustainability is important because the world needs to change quickly, and we offer to quickly get ideas that have an impact to market.
A number of employees at RPD have had their lives touched in some way. Those people could have been helped by the products we're working on, and that really helps to drive us forward and drive the engineers forward.
People work at RPD because they want to see their work have an impact, and this is a place you can feel that.
When our team are together, there is this just indescribable buzz around them where ideas fly about, energy flies about, and magical things happen.
It just creates a positive and interesting atmosphere.
Sounds insane, and it is a little bit insane, but being around that and seeing how when you bring these incredible minds together from all different places.
Having a diverse workforce really helps, because with the variety of different projects, you need different ideas, you need different ways of thinking.
From male to female engineers, electronic, industrial designers, mechanical designers.
Breadth of experience and a breadth of knowledge across a number of different sectors.
And then we all come together to support each other and make the product.
That trust in each other's work, as well as that kind of general friendliness and banter around the office, allows RPD to be a really good place to work, as well as a place that gets incredible creative and skilled engineering done.
But all of them have the same drive and the same need to make really cool stuff, and that is what is exciting.
We look for people that are excited by the idea of making things. So when you can then go through that process and see what you made on a billboard, on a TV advert, on the internet for sale, and you can see patients and customers going, this is incredible, this has changed my life, or you can see the impact something's had. I mean, that's the buzz that we look for at RPD.
We're a lot better looking than most engineering.
Half of us is a lot better looking.